Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Chimp. Today I'm going to teach you how to enable Airpods microphone in Windows. So let's start. As you can see in Audacity, my Airpods are connected with it. But still it's using my default laptop microphone and it's very hard recording. We have to make some settings to enable Airpods microphone into Windows 11. Click on search icon and search sound settings. Open search sound option. Here you can see speaker output is Airpods. We have to select second option, which is My AirPod Pro. Now click this arrow button to test it. Click Start Test button and start speaking. Like this. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Chimp. Stop this test. You can see AirPod sounds is 89% of total volume. Again, we are going to open Audacity and check it out here. Start recording and speaking like this. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Chimp. So you can see the difference between Airpods microphone and basic default microphone. Through these steps, you can enable Apple Airpods microphone. If you like this video, click subscribe button for more videos. Thank you so much.